Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to Just Sophia. Guys, today we are talking about companies that are hiring for transcribers. We have already talked about transcribing as one of the things that you can do online and get paid. If you haven't watched that video, it will appear up there. Please go and watch it. Guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, my name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance videos, uh, motivational, and anything in between. So if that is your kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel by clicking the red button. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So if you have been wanting to become a transcriptionist and you don't know where to start, I'm going to list some of the best companies that are hiring transcribers all over the world. So most of these companies, actually all of them, will only need you to do a test. You don't need to have any experience as a transcriptionist, any prior experience as a transcriptionist. You don't need any of that. You'll just go to the site, do a test. If you pass, you have access to various jobs on their job board. Okay, so of course, in the previous video, I mentioned the skills that you need to become a transcriptionist. One of them being high typing speed, good in grammar, excellent listening skills, attention to detail. I think those are the most important, yes. So if you possess those skills and you would like to become a transcriptionist, one of the companies that you can go to look for a transcriptionist job is a Go Transcript. So I'm going to list some of the features of this company so that you can see which one suits you. So the first one is Go Transcript, okay? And I will also list these companies in the description box down below. Make sure you check them out. I will list the company plus the link so that you simply click. I don't get anything, by the way. I'm not an affiliate with any of these companies. I'm just giving you information that if you think is valuable, you can use it. So the first one is Go Transcript, which pays up to 60 cents per audio minute. Or audio hour, of course, audio minute or video minute. You can earn with this amount, you can earn up to $150 per month. Of course, depending on the amount of time you are spending on this website, you can earn up to $150 per month or even up to $2,000. Yeah, depending on how fast you are and the quality, because of course if you have good quality, it means you'll get more jobs. Yes, so they pay weekly. Go Transcript pays weekly through PayPal, which if you don't have, you should go and apply for one. It is a very important tool in online work. So that's about Go Transcript. Also, you can, on this platform, you can also get captioning jobs. You can also get translation services, people needing translation services. Of course, it will depend with the skills that you possess. Yeah. So that's it about Go Transcript. The second one is Transcription for Everyone. What a good name, right? Yeah, so for those who are beginners on this platform earn $5 per audio hour. $5 per audio hour. Of course, your rates will keep increasing to even $15 per audio hour as you climb up, as you continue working, and as you continue perfecting your skill. The rates go up. Yeah, that is Transcription for Everyone. That is the name of the site. The third one is Vox Tab. So Vox Tab pays between $5 and $30. Yeah, of course, depending on of course, if you are a beginner, you'll definitely earn little as you continue learning more about the platform and about the skill. as you continue working and clients seeing that you are a good one, you have a good quality, you produce good quality files, definitely your rates will go up because you also have access to better paying jobs. So to apply to Vox Tab, you will head over to their careers page and click apply. Click apply, and then you'll follow the prompts. The good thing with this site is that they are easy to actually apply to. You don't need to attach any certification. Simply go to apply. If you have any experience, of course you'll attach. If you are completely new, and definitely there'll be a test to, of course, test your level of listening and all that. So you don't need any experience, as I mentioned in the beginning. So simply go to the careers page and then click apply, then follow the prompts. And then, of course, after applying, you'll now wait for the test. They will send you a confirmation message on your email, and which will be followed by a series of tests that you can do to prove that you are ready to work for them. Yeah? Yes. So that's it about Vox Tab, voxtab.com. So we go to number 4, which is Scribey.com. These ones, they pay between $5 and $25 per audio hour. Yeah. And guess what? You get a bonus at the end of the month if you have done 3 hours of audio transcription. You get a bonus of $5 every month. And then you also have another good thing about Scribey is that you have several files to choose from, audio or video to choose from. So that gives you an opportunity to choose whatever you are comfortable doing. Yes. So you're not limited. You can always choose whatever you feel that you will do to your best from the pool. Yeah. So to apply to Scribey, you'll have to go to apply tab on the website and follow the prompt again. This is an easy procedure to do. Of course, you'll get a confirmation message in your email, maybe with a link to follow so that you can complete your registration and verify. Yeah. And this one, you'll be given an application number, by the way, which you'll be using to track your registration. Yes. So make sure you don't lose it. So once you complete the application process, you will wait, of course, and your application will be reviewed within 24 hours, and you'll get a confirmation in your email. Then, of course, what will follow is a test. I think what is common among these companies is that they have a test. You have to do a test first before you can attempt any of the jobs. So even this one, you'll have to do a test. If you pass, then you have access to the numerous files that are available on the job board. That's it about Scribey. Sorry, that's it about Scribey. And the fifth and the last company is Transcribe Me. Yeah, Transcribe Me. This is, I think, the most common. I also worked with this one, although, like I mentioned in my previous video, I didn't go far because of the reason that I listed there. So this one is where most transcribers start from. So again, to get started, you will go to the job menu on the website and then click Get Started. Follow the prompts to register. You'll be directed to a page where you will follow the prompts and create an account. Okay. Again, this one you have to take a course, a small course. Yeah. At least they talk about their style and all that in that course. So you'll have to take that course, go through it, and then after that do a test, which if you pass, you'll be contacted to start working. Just that. Now, Transcribe Me pays between $15 to $22 per audio hour. So that means you can earn between $250 to $2,200 per month, depending, of course, on the amount of jobs that you can grab and how fast you are and your quality. At the end of the day, all these companies, you can always start small because now they don't have, you don't need any prior experience. You start small as you even learn the skill and learn the platform that you're working for. As you climb up the ladder, you can earn good money transcribing. So transcription, there's people who do it full time. There are others that do it as part time. Whichever way you choose to go with, it is one of the best ways to earn money online. If you do it part time, of course, maybe it might not make you a millionaire, but it will definitely help somewhere, especially during these times when things are just so thick, things are tough. You need a side hustle. You can do transcription as a side hustle, and yeah, it will help you get some bills paid. So, guys, I hope as usual you have learned something. If you have loved this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, please remember to subscribe to the channel and click the bell, the notification bell, so that you don't miss any of my videos. So thank you so much for watching. Let's meet on the next video. Bye.